Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is 7th December 2023. Today we are going to see how to create a Google account in 2 minutes. So let's get started. For that we have to open a Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome just type Gmail and the Gmail, so click the first option, Gmail-Google. After that it give you option, just create a account and then it will ask you the first name and the surname. So just type your name, whatever name your name. So taking here the Priyanka Gupta. So you can, after clicking the game, click on next, and then it will ask you for the uh, date of birth. So what you do is make sure that you write the correct date of birth here, and it should not be less than 13 years. That's the Google recommendation. And then select your gender, and after that you can choose your Gmail account. So my case, I have just selected the Priyanka Gupta. So you can see the combination of the keywords you can try, and you can get your desired email address here. So you can see here I just added double A and it's taken. So now we are going to create the password. So guys, just create the strong password, because nowadays a strong password is required. And then Google will ask you for the mobile number. So this is very important. Just add your mobile number, whichever country you are in. So I'm from India, so I'm adding that my number here. And after adding the number, we can click on the next. And in the next, Google will send you the security code through the via the SMS. So just get this SMS, this number via SMS, and click on the next. After the click, it will ask you for the recovery number. So that's fine. I just skip the email. But here it asking for the add the phone number. So I thought of skipping that, but I just click on the next because this is important. So let's add these services also on this mobile number. So I click on the yes again, and now it's asking for the confirmation. So I just confirm. This is the term condition it asks. So I mean, by the way, you can read the term and condition, but I don't have an option. So I just click on the I agreed. I moved on. So you can see this is Google is creating the email, and this will be available in few seconds. I can see. So this bar, the red bar is completed, and now you can see boom. So you can see this email address is created, right? Thank you for watching my channel.